What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know, on this channel I preach fishing outside the box, and sometimes that can mean getting off the beaten path. I was just out at Lake Whitney the other day, and when I left the boat ramp I saw all the guides turn left and I went right, and I had an awesome experience, and I had the whole place to myself because I got off the beaten path. So it's really hot outside. We're having a hard time catching fish the way we normally do, so we're gonna fish this little creek, and I already see some fish we can catch down in there, so stay tuned. Should be pretty fun. All right, weapon of choice today is my fly rod. So we got a little bug imitation on here, and we should be able to get bit pretty quick. I'm just gonna have to keep my swings out of the trees. But this type of fishing can make you a better fisherman. It's challenging and it's fun. Oh, already got one. That was pretty quick. Looks like a little green sunfish. I say little, he's actually pretty good size. Beautiful colors on this guy. I saw him eat it. What do we have here? Another little beautiful fish. One ate it. Yeah. Beautiful specimen. Man, look at the colors on these things. This looks like a bluegill green sunfish hybrid. Yep, that's what he is. He has that small mouth, that taller body, but the green sunfish colors. Beautiful. That was cool. There is mosquitoes down in here though. They know what's up. Beautiful little green sunfish. There's a bass down in here I see. Okay, I got one of these fish that's in full spawning color. You'll see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oop. That was sick. Guys, a bass is a bass. I literally just played this fish the exact way that I played a double digit earlier this spring. Now that double digit ended up breaking my line, but I let it sit on the bottom and just let it sit there. And then as soon as that bass came close, gave a little pop. Cool deal. Okay, I don't see any more holes down that way, and I'm kind of worried about my car because this is kind of a sketchy area, believe it or not. So I'm gonna head back. Ooh, that water is cool for being 127 degrees outside. So the interesting thing is, I'm up above this road where I'm parked, and this creek is super low. In other words, it's dried up from the level where it would overflow the road, but there was current down there, and that water that I walked through down there was really clear and cool. That tells me there's a spring flowing right there, and that's why all those fish were congregated in that area. So that's actually pretty cool. We found a little spring right in the middle of Fort Worth. If you get off the beaten path, you never know what you might find. This section doesn't look as fresh, but we might find some landlocked fish in some of these pools, so let's check it out. Let's try not to get bit by a snake here. Nice. Yeah, yeah, I'm falling. That's a thing. Well, the trees are biting good today. They always are. They're very opportune feeders. They pretty much bite as soon as you cast to them. I just see a bunch of the same type of little fish that I've been catching. And although they were cool, I'm gonna try for some diversity. Adversity, diversity. I think that's two different things. Beautiful fish. Look at those fins. Okay. We found the culprit for the crossbreeders. This is, I believe, a red ear sunfish. Shellcracker. Yeah, that's what that is. So that's what's creating the other side of that hybrid. Cool fish. These things get really big. Probably not in this creek, but over in Havasu in Arizona, they can get to be what, like 6 pounds? 7 pounds, which is just stupid. I think they're eating mussels or something over there. Oh, look at this one, guys. This is a long ear, red breast, I don't know, something. Pretty is what he is. Man, look at that thing. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I was adjusting my camera and the lure, my lure was in the water. Okay, here we have another hybrid. Oops. This is a long ear shellcracker hybrid. That was sick. What do we have here? This is another bluegill green sunfish hybrid, or shellcracker green sunfish hybrid. Only he's just bigger than the other ones we've been catching. Pretty cool. This is a little fly I was using. It's like a little green or greenish brownish bug imitation. Nothing crazy, just a little simple sinking fly. And it did magic out here today. So that's gonna be it, y'all. I had a great time out here wading these creeks. I was able to stay really cool in this hot weather and catch some really cool species, a lot of hybrids. Again, I got off the beaten path and I was able to have a very enjoyable time. You can do it too. Grab your little ultralight or your fly rod and hit your local creek, go wading, and cool yourself down and catch some cool fish. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these type of videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.